Greetings people, how's it going? Person who got glasses here. Today we're gonna take a closer look at Chappyz, which is an AI-powered community engagement plug-and-play protocol. They got their own token, you can stake it, you can sign up, so I will show you everything that has to do with it. There's also an airdrop for that, which means free money, and I like free money. As always, giant disclaimer, it's not financial advice. If you decide to buy anything, that's on you. The idea is that you can engage and earn instantly, where if you were to build a community, the members in there get rewarded. You get chat and earn, you get stake and earn. They got their own token, which sits around half a cent in price. They want to redefine authentic community engagement in Web3, as that is usually characterized by decentralized platforms and user-driven content. But then in there, too many platforms do prioritize sheer volume over genuine engagement. It's kind of like saying, hey, I have 500,000 subscribers on YouTube, but nobody watches your videos. Then what's the point? So they are standing at the forefront, championing the cause of genuine community engagement, which is a statement by the CEO. And they say they bring forth a revolution. How did they do it? They have a type called solution with a green box and a white check. Think of this as a marketplace for communities, where users are given the unparalleled ability to sort for the desired topic of discussion, thereby allowing for more tailored and passionate interactions, while being the first AI-powered community building tool. And you, if you want to have your own project or community, you create personalized campaigns with assignments and then manage everything in there. They also have lots of different Telegram channels for various different topics. For example, in the one for announcements, they again talk about the Season 2 airdrop, for which on the website up there you can click on sign in, for which you can use MetaMask, Coinbase Wallet, Wallet Connect, or your email, Telegram, Discord. I would go with MetaMask. You will see it up there. Select next and connect, sign, and you're connected. Then on any of the campaigns over here, you have to complete at least 3 different tasks. For example, Chappyz welcomes new users to chat and earn. Well, I'm a new user and I would like to earn something. So in this case, we can join the Telegram or the Discord. You would simply click on that and then you connect the corresponding account to the site. So you can check and verify if you actually joined the community, refresh, and this should be good. You can see the rewards in here are the Chaps token. All 38,000 of those possible rewards are still in the pool, with 54 members being active so far and 0 claims made. Which then means once we do these 2 things, we get 3 additional points in here, as well as a reward of 5 for both 10 Chaps tokens, which at the price of like half a cent would be worth 5 cents, which doesn't sound like a lot, but keep in mind it's completely free. And that's one of the basic campaigns. You could, for example, say Icarus Newcomers campaign. Again, you can chat and earn, join the community, get additional points that you can claim, with more and more to come over time. They also have a referral program behind it. They got a leaderboard, so you can see based on the amount of points that you accumulated in those different campaigns and what spot you are. If you do have the token in your wallet, you can stake it over here. They have about 100 million tokens staked, worth $500,000, which gives you up to 50% APY, which is pretty good. And that is just how the platform is so far. But keep in mind, we're at the start of a bull run, the start of the whole marketing campaign, which means over time, with more people using it, more and more work being done, additional partnerships over time, this will only get better from this point on. Now, a bunch of technical details, so we can dive into the Gitbook/white paper to show you, for example, personalized NFTs, where each companion in there comes with a very special token surprise inside. There's 6 different of these characters, which then in return gives you token rewards and airdrops, where you get more and more rewards as more and more communities join the party. There's some revenue share involved, some special discounts, some extra earnings and access, which works kinda similar to nodes, as you do get passive income with that. But more to the token. So the token is live, worth about half a cent at the moment, with the tokenomics being up here. 10 billion in total supply, 25% kept in here just for rewards, with the initial launching price over here after the public sale of roughly 8.5 times less as the current price. But then again, there's a vesting period for all those different rounds, so a good chunk of the tokens are still locked up. For the airdrop in Season 2, as long as you participate in multiple campaigns and refer a couple people and you're active member of the community, you can very easily qualify and then get some free money. Also in Q2 of this year, which starts around now, they're going to bring the 3rd version of their AI, and because simply based on the hype of the market and how it goes, anything AI focused usually goes up. So they position themselves in a niche that constantly grows and develops over time, while also building something that other projects can use. So it's kind of like creating part of the infrastructure behind it when it comes to community growth, as every project needs a community and they provide that service. While then also rewarding the users and making the token go up, you know, when it does the green thing and it goes up. I like that. They started with the roadmap in Q2 of 2023, where they had a race for the pre-seed round, beta tested the first version of their bot, and then Q3, the second version of that bot came out, as well as the version 2 of the AI system. They added a whole bunch of functionalities for Discord, YouTube, Reddit, Steam, and so on and so forth, which means, let's say, for example, there's an upcoming game that wants to launch not just in Web3 with, let's say, the Epic Games browser, but also on Steam, for example, want to have like a trailer on YouTube, and they want to reward users for being active in there. They can create campaigns, including all of these and more moving forward, which then works hand in hand. And by implementing this go-to-market, they can ensure that Chappyz not only effectively introduces its solution to targeted demographics, but also becomes a comprehensive platform for Web3 communities and transitioning companies, offering a suite of services beyond engagement, where you can do things like targeted outreach as well, case studies, strategic partnerships, localized strategy, and others. And that is just what they've created so far. But now that we're at the start of the bull run, we have a new all-time high for Bitcoin, and number goes up. There's a lot more hype that not just surrounds crypto, but also AI, which then leads to more and more people to join the space. That being said, links to everything down below. You can sign up for free, just test it out. Connect your Discord, Telegram, your wallet, get some tokens. For the token address on the website, if you scroll down, you can see it right here, where we're getting closer to 10,000 holders. They're also powered by the Carbon browser that we talked about before, incubated by Moonbots Labs, while being strategic partners with Binance Smart Chain, ChainGPT, Steedify, and lots of other big names in the industry. So whether you have your own project and you can benefit from the services outlined in here, or you're simply a person that is like, yeah, well, free, click some buttons, why not? You can get some extra tokens, test out the site, and see how it goes. And if you want to start earning, click the buttons. As always, not financial advice, but besides buying the token, which you can also get for free for participating in the whole ecosystem, and them having their various different NFTs, there isn't anything to buy. I like what they've been doing quite a lot, so this might be something for you. See you again fairly soon in the next video, and until then, I would say, don't forget to do your laundry, because it's a task that you have to do. And until then, take care.